everyone, it's Detox Coach Megan, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the Christmas gift giving from Young Living. So if you want to be the favorite this year for gift giving, then look no further. So Young Living came out with their holiday gift guide, and of course it does not disappoint. And I just got my November order, and I got a bunch of the items that are in here and a few other ideas that I have for you guys I wanted to share. And the best part is I put it through my ER order and I got a ton of freebies for me. So Merry Christmas to me. So if you don't have one of these, let me know. I can send you one. So if you open it up at the beginning, they are talking about the resin burner. And if you guys haven't used the resin burner yet, it's really, really cool. So instead of a diffuser that you put water in, you actually put the resin. They sell frankincense and myrrh resin, and my husband and I love this resin burner. We have it over by the front door, and we'll pop it on when we get home from work, and it just makes the whole front of the house smell so nice. We love the smell of frankincense, and it's an inexpensive way to have your house smell like frankincense because the resin lasts for a long time and it doesn't use up as much as the essential oil. So that's a really cool item. They also have this new holiday spray, which I'm excited. I got that. I'm excited to check out this bottle. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna give it to someone or I'm gonna keep it for myself because it's really, really cute. It says Young Living on it, and it's a stainless steel bottle, and this nozzle looks really, really nice as well. So I'm excited about that. You can add any essential oils to it to make it smell really good. I actually purchased Believe. I don't know if you have tried this one or not, but it is amazing. It's a great Christmas or even Thanksgiving oil. It's a blend, and it has, let's see, it has bergamot, and it has frankincense, and it has Idaho spruce and ylang ylang and geranium. It also has coriander, and it's a really cool mix. Smells really earthy, a little masculine, but yet it has the ylang ylang and the geranium. So I don't know how to describe it except that I love it, and who doesn't need a little belief this time of year, right? So that's one that I purchased. I always diffuse around this time of year, but I mean, you could certainly diffuse it any time. The other thing that's in here that I'm so excited, I haven't even opened the box yet, is the car diffuser. So I ordered one, I think, oh yeah, it says it right here. It is the car vent diffuser. So I haven't decided yet if I'm giving this away. I might just end up keeping everything for myself. Oh, now this is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. So, oh, this is great. So you just clip this onto the vent in your car, and then you can have the amazing essential oils going while you're in your car. And it's got all these different color inserts. So you just put a couple drops of whatever oil you want on there, and then stick it in there, and when you have your AC going or you have your heat going, then you can smell all those amazing aromas and maybe a little stress away in your car if you've got kids like I do. So that's really cool. I was gonna give that away, but I don't know, I might have to order another one. There's also a ton of different things in here for cooking in the kitchen. They've got this cute little tray that you can use for your kitchen to put your Vitality line on. And of course the supplements are much needed for most of us, right, to support our body. I cannot believe that I forgot to order the Thieves Roll-On. How did I forget that? I'm really excited about that. We make them all the time, and I throw one in everybody's stocking, so I'm gonna have to buy the Young Living one that's already made just to make it easier. But I did not forget about this. This is one of my favorites. I love their lip balm. I love all flavors of them. So I ordered the package here, and I'll divide them up amongst my family, throw them in their stocking. They've got lavender, vanilla mint. I don't think I've tried that one. Grapefruit, that's one of my favorites. And cinnamon, which is really amazing as well. So that is a great, very inexpensive Young Living gift. And I love using my Young Living points to buy things, or you can stick it on your order and get a ton of stuff for free. I'll show you guys what I got for free from this amazing order for buying gifts for other people. But this works so well, almost too well, to the point where I don't need to use new ones very often because they make your lips so soft and amazing. So I kind of wish it didn't work so well so I could try out different ones. Of course, Ningxia Red is much needed around the holidays. I'll be making my sangria for Thanksgiving and using my Ningxia Red. I'll do a video for you guys to show you. Young Living has a great line of food items as well. Their einkorn, which you should definitely do a lot of research on. It's a really good ancient grain. And I decided this year to try out the chocolate. I love chocolate. So this is the peppermint and almond. Oh my gosh, that's two of my favorites. So now I have to decide, do I put this away for somebody's stocking or do I eat it? What would you do? I don't know. I can't decide. So I'm excited about that. They have some truffles too. They even have a bracelet that you can get with the lava rocks on it, so you can diffuse on your own body. And there's a ton from the Savvy line in here. I think I already have everything from the Savvy line. Loving their makeup. But I'm thinking about getting these lip glosses because it comes with that really cute bag, which I definitely want. So this, don't tell my husband, but I decided to get him this personal diffuser, and I think that is what is in this cute little box. So he works for a big corporation, and he used to be able to diffuse at work. He had a diffuser in his cube. And then at some point, they decided to make a rule that they couldn't diffuse anymore at work. So I don't really know exactly how it works because I haven't read the whole thing, but here it is. Ooh, I hear him right now. So you put the oils in here, and then you can actually just put it right up to your face and diffuse wherever you are on the go, which is really cool if you travel or you're in your car all the time or you're in a cube where you can't diffuse at your desk. So that's a really nice gift. It's a good price point too. Let's see, it's $46 with your wholesale discount. And then if you haven't tried their lavender stress away bath bombs, those are awesome. But this year what I just decided to try were these energizing shower steamers. Haven't tried it yet, but this is a citrus fresh one. I am so not a morning person, so I'm hoping this is gonna help me drag my booty out of bed. Get one of those in the shower, right? That'd be awesome. So let's see, what else did I get? I also got Deep Relief because everybody in my family loves and needs deep relief. It's so amazing to rub on any muscles or joints that need a little extra support, and these are great to throw in a stocking. The toothpaste, the travel size, also a great one to put in stockings. Do you guys do like toiletries in your stockings? That's what we've always done in my house, and so we keep doing it. So everybody gets a deodorant, everyone gets a toothpaste, everyone gets a hand purifier. These smell so good too. They smell like mint. And oh, that's right, I got a rose ointment. This is another one that's under $20. It's a great gift. You can use it on your lips. You can use it on elbows and knees and your bottoms of your feet that get really dry. Or I even, for extra moisturization, about once a week, I'll put it right on my face. And it is amazing. So those were the things that I got. Definitely gonna add a couple more things to my December order. maybe some soap and shampoo. But this month in November, there are so many great freebies that I bought all those gifts. Well, they might be gifts for me, haven't decided yet, but I got so many things for free. I got a 15 ml of Christmas Spirit. If you have not tried Christmas Spirit, get it on your order because it is amazing. It smells so good. It has orange, cinnamon, and black spruce, and it's to die for. And you can usually only get the 5 ml, but this one is 15 ml, and it came for free. Also got Northern Black Spruce, Northern Lights Black Spruce, and this one is from the farm in Canada. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a Christmas tree in a bottle. And this month, dun dun dun, you also get something I'm going to use this in. If I can get the box open. What do you think is in this special box? Dun, dun, dun. This is a Christmas tree ornament diffuser. Yes, an ornament diffuser. How cool is that? Oh, it's so pretty. This year it's got, I got the one from last year. And this one has some really pretty flower designs on it. Oh, I love it. It's bigger than the one from last year too. So it comes with these little sticks. So what you're gonna do, so I love to use either Christmas Spirit or my Northern Black Lights, which I don't know where it went. But what you'll do is you will take the top off and then take the little piece, the plastic piece, and stick your sticks right inside the oil. Let it soak for about 20 minutes and then take them out and put them in your ornament diffuser, hang it on your tree, and the whole room is gonna smell amazing. So I like to do the spruce or pine or believe, and those ones smell like you have a real tree, especially if you don't have a real tree. Also this month for free, nutmeg smells amazing, myrrh, and frankincense. So I guess in celebration of Christmas coming, they gave us these 2 ancient oils that are back to the time, biblical times, and given to Jesus when he was born on Christmas, from sacred frankincense and myrrh. How amazing is that? That is worth all of these gifts, I'm telling you. Those were free. And last but not least, you guys, this oil you can only get if you put in a 400 PV order this month. You can't order this on its own. And I have never smelled it. This is brand new. Oh, I'm so excited. It is called Higher Unity, and it has, I always forget to bring my reading glasses, and they make these so small. Okay, it has a sacred sandalwood, amazing high frequency oil. It has a lime. It has sacred frankincense, which we talked about. Again, amazing oil distilled from the tree, Boswell tree in the Middle East. And it has spearmint, Northern Lights Black Spruce, lemon, jasmine, and rose. Those are super high frequency oils that will get your vibes really high. Oh, you guys, wow. This is amazing. Higher Unity. I can't even describe to you guys. I can smell like the rose and the jasmine, and I also smell the citrus because it has the lime and lemon in there. Oh, it smells so good. And then it has the sacred frankincense and the sandalwood and the Northern Black Spruce, which are all really earthy. So it's just, oh, it's a beautiful blend. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this right now. Definitely diffusing this one at Thanksgiving. Higher Unity, bring your family together and keep everyone happy and peaceful. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you are going to be buying for gifts for your family and friends. And don't forget, you can reach out and see what of your friends need to throw an order in. Maybe they want to give some gifts to their family and friends as well, and that will help you get the PV high enough so that you can get some of those freebies I just talked about, including Higher Unity, which is, oh my goodness, really amazing. I wish we could have free smells through TV, through YouTube, right? Wouldn't that be cool? Like, here, smell, free smells. All right, if you enjoy this video or any of the other ones from Detox Coaches, please subscribe, hit the little bell so that you get notified when I post new ones. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving and Christmas. Enjoy your holidays, take time to spend with your loved ones, and I will check back in with you soon. Bye-bye.